I'm Ken Skates, Assembly Member and Chair of the group tasked with looking at the future of the media in Wales. The media faces unprecedented change and challenge, and we need to consult with as many people as possible about where it should be going and what help should be there available for it. We're going to keep this subject deliberately broad, covering broadcast media, print media and online media, and it's crucial that we get as much input as possible. I'd urge you to contribute because we need ideas and we need observations from across Wales. Details of how you can contribute appear below. Thank you for your time.
Gynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, i ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac i ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru i gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac i ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch i cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter.